I am in a late 1800s bluestone house. The floor has just been ripped up, and I wanted to see what was underneath the floor. So I'm going to put a new floor in. This house, I'm not exactly sure the age, but it's 1800s, late 1800s is what I understand. So what I've done is I've gone around these stones. I didn't want to remove these stones because I don't know whether they'll be reused or not. But I basically raked the entire floor with this. It's a Magna rake. There's all rare earth magnets all along there, and the scraping side as well. It's all rare earth magnets along there. And what I've found so far with the magnet is a shitload of nails. Yep, you can see that, some washers and a lot of hair clips. I don't know what the go there is, but apparently they use a lot of hair clips. And some buttons, which are ferrous and non-ferrous, but yeah, the magnets picked them up. So I like the buttons. So what I'm going to do is go over as much of this floor. I've only got an hour and a half probably to do this. So I'm going to go over the floor with the Monster on discrimination only mode. Put the bigger coil on there and see what I can get. It's going to be a warm day and I'm sweating already. It's only early in the morning, so right, we'll see how we go. We'll get the Monster and go to work. Oh, I forgot to mention, also found some bones, including the jawbone. This isn't all the bones, this is just from this corner here. Not sure that's off. This is a sheep farm, but I don't know if that's a sheep. Jaw, it could be something else. Anyway, bring in the Monster. Alright, just started. I've got my first target. Definitely telling me it's non-ferrous. It's in there, so I'll get a little scoop and see what's in it. My first target was actually foil, but I just found this little button. It's non-ferrous material. Focus. There we go. Hey. Loud as all. Yeah. Another button. Cool. I have another target here. Definitely non-ferrous. See if I can move it. That pile of dirt there. Let's see what it is. Okay, I'm not sure what it is. It looks like a button. Real small. It is tiny. Yeah. Add that to the collection. I just found this button. And yeah, it's shiny. It's got string on it. It looks kind of brassy, goldy, I don't know, brass or gold plated. Anyway, it's yeah, it's got material on it and thread. Pretty cool. Anyway, found a couple of lead shot and yeah, some other bits and pieces. Foil, plenty of foil, but nothing else yet. I just found something really cool right here. It's an Australian 1 cent coin. Not sure what year it is, but yeah, these haven't been in circulation for a long time. I'm sure it'll tell me. Can't see the date. Yeah, anyway, it's pretty cool. 1 cent coin. Picks it up real good. Alright. I just found the coolest find yet. It is a penny. It's quite large. Not sure what year it is. It's hard to see. Let's see if I can zoom in. $19.21. 1 penny. Wow. That is cool. And that is cool because I'm just about out of time. But anyway, excellent. I just got another target. I spotted another one. I can see it. And it's another coin. Let's look at it. Australian 1950 halfpenny. Australian 1950 halfpenny. That is cool. Alright. I just found another coin. Other targets there. There it is there. In the same area. Australia. Penny. 1949. I believe. That's excellent. And I think there's another target. Yeah, it could be another coin. Alright. I found another coin in the same spot. Not sure what it is. Different to the other ones. But let's see if I can see a year. George IV? I don't know. George's. I don't know much about coins, so as you can tell, it's British, but I can't see a date. Anyway, alright, cool, same area. I think I found someone's stash in the same spot. Yet another coin. Another Australian coin. See the kangaroo. And damn, I have to go, but looks like another penny. Not sure, it's pretty dirty. Anyway, that is pretty cool. Alright. Just want to show you what I've got under the floor. heap of nails, bobby pins, bits of wire, some washers, caps. Yeah, heaps of these goes there, but yeah, a few other interesting shapes. Yep, but I'll show you the best bit. Right, this is the good stuff. What else I found is, yeah, half a dozen coins, including an Australian 1 cent coin, some half pennies and pennies, and another couple of types of coins which I'm not sure what they are, but I'll give them a clean up and have a better look at them. We've got a little chain, some buttons, heap of foil, some lead shot. This one here is interesting, brass, shiny brass one, and this is tiny, but it is really cute. Okay, and this I didn't realise is a fox whistle, as I was pointed out to me. Never seen one before, but that's what it is. So that's pretty cool. Alright. Giving the coins a bit of a clean. Let's see what we got. I'll have a close look. This one here's come up pretty good. Little 1 cent coin. It is a 1966 1 cent coin. First year of our decimal currency in Australia. So that's pretty cool. Okay, this one, an Australian coin. A 1950 halfpenny. We have another halfpenny. It's a British coin. I'll make out the year. $19.36. Took me a little while to find it, but it's right there. We have here a 1941 penny. Another penny, a 1 penny, 1921. Commonwealth of Australia. So, and last we have a 1942 Australian penny. There we go. Pretty cool. So that's it. Oh, alright, that was close. Alright, so there we have it. Pretty good finds. Yeah, happy.